Hey everyone, welcome back to Mega Builds Pro. We're now entering one of the most intense and high-stakes phases in the reconstruction of Spotify Camp Nou. With UEFA's deadline just around the corner, the pressure is mounting to deliver major progress on every level. Today's update is packed with new installations, structural milestones, and some unexpected changes you don't want to miss. Let's dive in and explore what's happening at the future home of FC Barcelona. One of the most visible changes this week is the installation of new access doors, not just in the Tribuna zone anymore, but now appearing in the Gol Sur section and other key areas across the site. Glass panel frames are being mounted near the future shop zones, while support brackets for internal walls and enclosures have expanded into multiple zones. Temporary fences and railings are being added around staircases, likely in preparation for safety checks before matchday operations begin. Across zones, concrete work has ramped up significantly. Steel rebar and formwork panels are now in place near staircases, corridors, and outer pathways. Large slab sections are being prepared with safety nets already positioned for upcoming concrete pours. In the VIP section, full panel flooring is currently underway, and the prefabricated stair structures are nearly complete. Only handrails are left to be added. In the Gol Norte area, progress has accelerated. New reinforcement cages and support columns have been installed, with some concrete poured just a day ago. Upper-level floor slabs in the corner zone are nearly complete, and protective nets are now in place to support incoming precast panels. Over in the Diamante zone, formwork is almost fully installed, suggesting final reinforcement and concrete work could start within days. Back in the Tribuna zone, internal development continues. More plasterboard frames are being installed, marking the beginning of full internal wall construction. Waterproofing membranes are being applied to the flooring, while any remaining exposed areas are now being treated with primer, preparing them for future tiling or insulation layers. New Jersey barriers have also been placed at key entry points, indicating possible site inspections or matchday trial runs ahead. Artificial turf is now being laid around the natural pitch, filling in the gaps and completing the look of a finished playing surface. Meanwhile, material staging is evident across multiple areas. Precast panels, fencing rails, and construction blocks are being positioned for the next construction phases. Vertical and horizontal development is happening at every corner of Camp Nou. That wraps up today's progress report from Spotify Camp Nou. From access doors and concrete slabs to turf installation and safety railings, every detail is moving this iconic stadium one step closer to completion. Do you think Barca will meet UEFA's deadline in time? We'll keep tracking every move, so stay tuned for more. If you enjoyed this update, give it a like, subscribe to Mega Builds Pro, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with Mega Builds Pro to catch every new change as it happens. We'll be back soon with fresh updates only here on Mega Builds Pro.